Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn 5 lines about Holi. Holi is a festival of colors. It is a festival of joy, love, and new beginnings. Holi represents the victory of good over evil. It usually comes in the month of March. People play with colors, water, and enjoy sweets. बुरा ना मानो, होली है, reflects the underlying theme of acceptance and joy. Traditional sweets like gujia, malpuya, and laddus are prepared in many homes. Thank you.